Hey guys, Ryan here with Michigan Whitetail Pursuit. It is April 22nd. It's the eve of Michigan's 2022 spring turkey season. I'm sitting here with my son Hunter and my other son in the back, Tyler. We're out here watching this field that we've been hunting out here for what, probably 8-9 years now out here. 2 years ago, was able to double up out here with my father, and last year doubled up with Hunter. Hopefully this year we can replay the story and the script again, and I'm hoping that Hunter and my father get to double up, head home, get our stuff packed, and be out here first thing in the morning, and hopefully we can lay a couple birds down here. So stay tuned, guys. Covered up in birds this morning, man. Covered up. There's still some birds out here, so my dad just shot his. He shot a nice Jake. Give me 5, Dad. Nice job. Hunter got his this morning, first thing, so 3 years in a row, doubled up opening morning. And this year, it was my dad and my son. That's awesome. All right. Here we are. We're back out in Mrs. Newton's place in Genesee County here in Montrose, Michigan, with my father, John, and my son, Hunter. And we got out here this morning. We had 2 toms roosted straight across to the west of us. You could see them in the tree. And they came down super early, which was strange.
Yeah, it was still pretty dark.
It was really dark still. They stayed out in that field. And man, the birds just started lighting up out here. We had them roosted behind us up in the trees. They came in from the right of us and the left of us. Had a few smaller ones came into the decoys. We let them pass. Hunter's bird came in next. As you can see, he put the smack down on it. We're using the final rest system from 4th Arrow camera arms, and that thing is rock solid, wasn't it?
Works pretty well.
Held the gun great. We sat there, and these 3 jakes come in on my dad's side, and he took the biggest jake out of the group. So pretty cool story to tell for 3 years in a row, being able to double up on birds on opening day out here. So I'm pretty excited to be
be able to be out here with the two and witness it and get it all on film for them. And we got some good food for the table, and
Yeah.
now it's my turn when I get a chance to get back out here, so stay tuned. Nice job, Dad.
All right.
Nice job, Hunter.
Hunter.
You guys rocked it today,
Good
for
job.
sure.
All right, good afternoon. It is April 25th, 2022, and I am heading out for a good old afternoon turkey hunt. Hoping to shoot a nice big tom today. This is day 3 of my turkey hunt. First couple days called for Brody and then Ben Jr. and now today for myself. So hoping for good things. It's a bit windy. Got probably 20-25 mile an hour winds. Either way, just excited to get out. A lot better than yesterday when we had rain-mageddon and got pretty much washed right out of the blind. Some serious rainfall in a short amount of time. But hoping to connect. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright, well, yesterday Ben Jr. and I were out and we got rained out just as we had a gobbler coming to the north. So I'm sneaking out for a quick afternoon hunt, hoping he's still frequenting the area. See if I can call him in and squeeze in a quick turkey hunt here. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright, Ben Katsitis here with Michigan Whitetail Pursuit, April 25th afternoon hunt, northern Kent County, Michigan. I was hunting in 25 mile an hour winds this afternoon. Made a few scratch calls with the slate, and I could hear this faint gobble in the distance. After about 30 minutes, I could tell the gobble was getting just slightly closer. So then I knew he could hear the call. About an hour and a half after that, this tom finally showed up, committed. Came in, jumped on my hen decoy. Oh, it was just beautiful to watch. And after I decided I wanted to go ahead and take him, made sure camera and everything's all set. Lights out with the 20 gauge. Incredibly grateful. What a beautiful tom. Nice big hooks, beautiful long beard. Just a gorgeous animal. Thank you, Lord.